Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul Farmer. Today I want to show you a dummy-proof way to make extra money without doing anything extra. And this is part of Team Sparky AI. If you want to know more about Team Sparky, Sparky AI, automatic duplication system, they're all the same thing. Right here, completely automated system. I have a full playlist and I've been making videos about this incredible system that really there's nothing else like it anywhere else. There's not another program doing what this program is doing, period, online. I don't know any that is doing what this is doing. But what I want to do today is I want to talk about dummy proof uh, marketing strategy or marketing system, marketing machine. Okay. That's hands free that you can do without opening your mouth ever to share what it is you do. Um, it's really quite incredible. So, what I'm talking about is this right here, the sticker funnel. Okay, they just released this a couple weeks ago. People are now starting to get their stickers. Let me just show you in the group. So here's the Facebook group we have here, and if I scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see people putting stickers on the back windows of their cars. Okay, there's just a lot of people doing this. The United States, UK, Canada, and Australia, I believe, are the different countries right now this is available in. See, there's another sticker, got the QR code. This guy's in the UK, so there's one in the UK. um, Simply putting the sticker on the back window of their car. Now, let me ask you a question. If you could put a sticker on the back window of your car and simply drive around, park your car, go about your day doing the same exact thing you do all the time, spending zero extra time, but you could start getting paid commissions by simply putting a sticker on the back window of your car. Is that something you'd be open to doing? And I do hope and trust that the answer is yes, because I've worked with people, I mean, countless people over the years. And mainly when it comes to marketing, like getting the word out, sharing what it is they're doing, most people are afraid to do that. They're afraid of what people are going to think. They don't want to get rejected. Maybe they don't know what to do. Maybe they're, concerned they're not going to do it well. There's all kinds of factors, all kinds of things that come into play that prevent people from going out and creating an income that can really make a difference for them. And look, I just keep going. All these people are putting stickers on their cars, and this just rolled out a couple weeks ago. Took about a week for them to start getting their stickers, and they're just putting these stickers on the back window of their car. So why? Why does that matter? And I'm going to be honest with you. When I first heard of this idea, I was like, "Yeah, it could work. Like, it could work. Like, I know of a post card program I was a part of years ago, and the postcard had like a funnel attached to it, kind of like we have a funnel attached to this. And all you had to do was mail out these postcards. That's all you had to do. You mail out the postcards. Some people are going to go and they like what they see. They're going to go through the funnel and they're going to get started. And for the most part, it was just hands-free automated type system. The problem with postcards, though, is they're freaking expensive. Stamps are expensive. You could go to a place where they do it all for you, but that's expensive. It's time consuming because you got to put the stamps on the postcards and you have to order the postcard. Like there's a lot to it, right? It's not complicated, but most people are not going to do it. But it had a funnel, and I thought that was really cool. And by sharing it, I was starting to generate sales, making commissions through this postcard program. Well, we're not talking postcards here. We're talking simple stickers that you put on the back window of your car. It's free to get started. So you get the sticker for free. You can earn for free. There's different ways to earn within the system. But this is how it works, okay? So you have this sticker here. Well, we have a video. So how it works, I'm gonna just come back. I'm gonna show you like one of these stickers on the car, okay? So let's just look at this one. You come, someone hits that QR code, okay? I should show you this one. They hit that QR code. They put their phone up, right? They take a picture of the QR code. It's going to come into this funnel. Done for you. You don't have to create this. You don't have to do anything. It's ready to go out the box. Nothing to set up. There's no tech headaches, nothing. Like this couldn't be more simple. Okay? You come here, watch the video, 2.5 minutes long. You like what you see, boom. There you go. Enter your details. Submit. Next step is you are going to go to our live 24/7 call center to get your sticker mailed to you. Okay. So you have a real person that's going to get your sticker ready to be delivered for you. So you're going to talk to a human being. So this is just genius, you know? So they come through this funnel. Okay, this gives them some information, like what they see. This is the whole process. You got the sticker in your car. They click the QR code. They come into this funnel. This is where it goes to. Okay, you're driving around. You park your car. Boom, goes to this funnel. They watch the funnel. They like it. Okay, I'm gonna claim my sticker. You claim their sticker. They have to go to the call center. Okay, if someone just clicks on that QR code, visits the page, whatever, they are going to be retargeted. Like, look at this. Sparky AI, this is Sparky, is going to be sending text messages on your behalf, emails on your behalf, phone calls on your behalf, and retargeting on social media. That means anybody that hits that QR code is being retargeted. Like everywhere they go, they're seeing this ad about Sparky AI and how they can be part of the sticker funnel and make commissions by just driving their car around. Like, and this is being done for you. And then on the back end, like when they decide to go and get that sticker, they go to the call center and talk to a real person and they get their sticker mailed to them. But they're also told to come back for a follow up session. And in the follow-up session, this is where the call center, the live 24/7 call center that no other company has, no other online company has, big companies don't have what we have here, where you have a 24/7 live call center, real people, people that speak English, um, helping you. So the next step is they go back to the call center, and now they're going to learn how they can really multiply their earnings. Now, keep in mind, a person can earn completely free. They can get the sticker for free. They can earn for free. They're even giving them commissions for how, like, there's ways to uh, upgrade or whatever. It's not even an upgrade, but they're giving money for that too. So a person could be making $40 just for having a sticker on their car and do absolutely nothing else. They don't know if someone comes into the business and is going to go and purchase like the advertising packages, the memberships, go into the different income streams. All this can be happening. So let me come back here, okay? This is how it works. Get your free sticker, okay? Where do you go to get your free sticker? Here you go. Scan that. That's how you get your free sticker. Scan that, get your free sticker. It's going to bring you to this page that I'm on right now. It's very simple. Click here, fill in the details. Next step is you're going to go into the call center and they're going to set you up. They're going to mail you out your sticker. They're going to make sure everything is set up right so you get your sticker on your car. They are not messing around on this. They do not want tire kickers. You know, like if you come in and you want to get a sticker, you're seriously going to put it on your car. and they're giving all kinds of incentives for you to do that. So it's really just an amazing and a very simple system. If you can put a sticker on your car, if you can drive, you don't have to drive your car. You go park your car. People are going to see the sticker. This is advertising. This is marketing. It's just you're not opening your mouth. You're not going up to people and asking them to take a look at what you're doing. You just have it on your car. Your car becomes a piece of real estate. It becomes your own personal ATM. Like this is huge. Free stickers, stick and snap, earn commissions. And that's really all you need to know. The rest, the call center will go over with you. But if all you need to know is put a sticker on your car and you can start earning commissions because when you're driving around, like you're getting other people that are going to want to know what you're doing. There's all kinds of people out there that are struggling that would love an opportunity like this. So I just think it's genius. It really removes any of the barriers. Unless someone just doesn't want to put it on their car, and, like I can understand that, but at the same time, if you could use more money, like why wouldn't you do that? It, it doesn't get more simple than this. Like you don't want to talk to people, you don't want to make videos, you don't want to write emails, you don't want to do paid advertising, you don't want to do any of that stuff. Stick a damn sticker on your car and get paid. Like why wouldn't you do that? That doesn't even make sense to me. I know there are people that won't do it though, but that's all good. There's plenty that will. Um, the other thing I want to do is I want to kind of paint the picture, the bigger picture here. Okay. What they've done is they've created a very duplicatable system. Like this is true duplication. And the reason is because you have such a simple process that anybody and everybody can do. When they come in and get their sticker, that person is on your team. So when they go through the call center shows them how they can make all this extra money. If you are positioned in the multiple streams of income, if you have a membership, like you're going to get paid. Actually, you don't even have to have a membership to make commissions anymore. Like free members get paid commissions. I've done all kinds of videos about that. So you have a free system, a free sticker, a free marketing method, hands free marketing method, all kinds of leverage built into this, all kinds of ways to earn. What else could you want? Yes, this is a slower way of going about it, but I'm just saying, like, you got to see the bigger picture. And this is the bigger picture, okay? You go put a sticker on your car. Let's say that's all you do. You put a sticker on your car, you go drive around, do your thing. Someone sees it, they like it, they go scan the code, right? They get their sticker. Okay, now you have someone that is working for you essentially. You're leveraging that other person's vehicle, their time. So they're driving around town in their area, they're parking their car in their area, and that is generating leads and helping you make commissions. Okay, so that person's driving around, now someone else clicks on their QR code, and that person now comes into the system, right? Oh, wow, I can get paid by putting a sticker on my car. I want to do that. So they go and do that. Now you have another person working for you, generating leads for you that are going to make you commissions. So you see this, how this can just multiply and multiply and multiply and multiply. Sure, it's not going to happen overnight. But what I understand when it comes to these types of strategies where you have a lock-in method where they are putting the sticker on their car and they don't have to do anything else. People don't take these things off their car. They're not kicking the tires. They put it on, even if they put it on their car and they do nothing else, it's still going to benefit you because there are going to be people going to their QR code. And if they do nothing else, guess where those people go? They go to you. So, um, but I mean, they're still going to get paid regardless. It doesn't matter. They have it so everybody's going to get paid using this. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. Man, I went longer than I wanted to, but I hope that makes sense to you. If you want to get started, if you want to get a sticker, just go to this QR code, take your camera out. I'll put a link in my description as well. There's a lot more to this system. I really just wanted to highlight the sticker program because I'm just blown away by this. Just imagine having hundreds to thousands of cars under you driving around with stickers on them during leads, during sales, making you commissions on autopilot. That's what this is. And when you really start understanding, because it took me a minute to understand this, like it's going to blow your mind. And this is just one of the many ways we are marketing this system. This is marrying offline, old school marketing methods with online, high tech methods. And it's just, lack of a better word, genius. I just think it's amazing because this is something anybody and everybody can do. I don't care what your skill set is, I don't care how much money you have. Like, anybody can do this. Anybody. So, like I said, go to the link in my description or just click on that QR code and get started. And with that, make it a great day.